Laura is right now apologizing for shooting a child in the face with the water guns that we just purchased here and here. 1,500 shillings, which is about 60 cents for unlimited fun on the streets of Bomb.Nautica. We are sitting in front of our hub. This is our hub. There's Mama! Mama!
Wait a minute.
Oh, Jenny.
Hey. The longo, right?
This is where we sit on afternoons to people watch.
Wait, how are we? Thank you.
Jubilees. Yeah.
Kali. Oh, Kali.
Hi.
Okay, I'm with you.
We are in nursery Luganda.
I
Learning
speak
Luganda.
very poorly. I'm learning. Good job.
We are cooking. See, Mama knows. Mama will teach us.